Hi there, it's Tim from Oldfields. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I'm down at Oldfields today on a glorious sunshiny day that doesn't really reflect the mood or the circumstances that we're all currently working in. But I just wanted to make a video really just to tell you that we are planning on reopening on the 1st of May with limited staff to try and reduce our chances of transfer. And also taking additional measures to ensure that we clean and follow health and safety guidelines whilst we're operating. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to keep our building closed. We closed it before the lockdown started, but we're going to maintain that, and this will mean that customers won't come into contact with our staff, and likewise deliveries will also be the same. It'll help us with our social distance, keeping our customers and staff safe. So we're going to go and have a look in the building now, just to take a look at some of the other measures we're taking. To help reduce the risk of transfer, we're going to obviously continue with cleaning all the touch points with disinfectant spray, ensuring staff wear gloves when entering and working on, and also driving customer vehicles. This will help to reduce the risk of transfer and help us all to keep safer.